This is Ireland, a realm where ancient stone embraces wild Atlantic waters. Here, at Europe's western frontier, a landscape shaped by elemental forces reveals its timeless character through layers of stone holding 5 millennia of human stories. Here, where the continent ends abruptly, Atlantic forces have sculpted one of Europe's most dramatic coastlines, home to Ireland's largest mainland seabird colony. With over 20 species, including charismatic Atlantic puffins, elegant black-legged kittiwakes, and rare choughs with their distinctive red bills and legs.